Logan is mostly known for the sports teams.
The diversity that it brings.
They're great academics and they're amazing band and color guard.
You have so many people from everywhere coming together at this school, and you make unexpected friends.
So for students that are interested in four-year college, we want to reference our course catalog. So we have this really nice chart that gives you the differences between the high school requirements and the college requirements. What we're going to be doing is making sure that every year in high school, we're going to build up your schedule with what's called A through G classes. A through G basically is the college prep electives that you need to take at high school to be on track for college.
You do not need to take a test to get into an AP or honors class. It is open enrollment.
But if you look at the course catalog, there are predictors of success, and they're usually tied to a grade that you got in a class that you are currently taking.
So we do offer a zero period, but usually the students that take zero, it's because they're participating in forensics, and when I say forensics, I mean speech and debate, or they might be doing band classes, and that's 2 periods, and so that takes a lot of their day, and so then they are often taking a zero period.
The policy for athletic eligibility here at Logan is a 2.0 and no Fs.
There are field trips at Logan, although you need to get a permission slip.
Depends on what classes you take. Some classes don't have field trips, but others do.
There are field trips to go see certain other colleges and stuff.
Usually most clubs will have a field trip or two.
There's garden club, there's key club, there's game club.
There's the James Logan High School Interact Club. It's a great club. You should join.
There's a lot of clubs. Third World Relief Club. I'm in that club.
There's all these different kinds of things for interest, community service hours, and other services.
Oh, there's James Logan High School Red Cross, and that's also a great club.
If you want more information, there's usually club fairs, and if you go on the Logan website, they also have information there.
There are electives in the visual performing art category, career and technical education category, ethnic studies, foreign language category.
The electives at Logan range wide, from things that deal with the medical occupation to things that deal with working with cars. It really depends on what you want to do and how we can tailor your courses to you.
Most of your elective credits will be earned in your junior and senior year.
My favorite part about this class is working on student project cars, like the two behind us over here.
Rebuilding engines and bookwork. Bookwork's my favorite.
We love safety in this class, like glasses.
And you get your hands on, you get your hands dirty, you get to learn new things, and it's fun.
What I like most is when we solve our programs, it doesn't have to be done in a certain way. And we also play Yu-Gi-Oh when we're done, so it's pretty cool.
You learn to apply your knowledge of math.
Well, I definitely love interacting with computers, and I love the teacher, Ms. Panther. She's really helpful to all of our students.
I didn't know how to cook before at all. I used to burn, toast. So now I know how to cook stuff.
Learning how to cook, it's real cool.
And we get to eat what we cook.
Cookies and pancakes and other delicious stuff.
And I cook the stuff at home now, and I was I'm a chef at my own house.
You learn the ropes of everything, learning how to be a cameraman, learning what to do on set, learning how to do audio and visual.
We edit photos or we make web pages.
We also get to do our own live show, which is awesome because you get to experience a real live show moment.
It's really cool. You should join this class.
The best thing about this class is that you get to use easy mathematical equations and see how your work is being done through the machines.
You get to do a lot of hands-on building. And we sketch our sketches onto the computer, and then we add dimensions and we create them.
My favorite part has to be interacting with other students and working with all types of businesses.
Traveling, you get to go to different places, see new people.
When you decide to choose this class, I'm sure you really enjoy it and you won't make a mistake.
It helps you learn about the blood pressure and how to take temperature and all the vision stuff.
Best thing about taking this class is getting the internship and actually working at a real place.
You get to see how it's like to work in a professional environment.
Whatever I learned in this class, I did during my work.
Hello, my name is Jody Schwartzfarb, and I am the English Language Arts Department Head at James Logan High School. At Logan, we offer a variety of English classes which support students in their academic and career goals, while building in options of choice and exposing students to diverse literature which reflects them and the world around us. Starting at our freshman and sophomore levels, students have the option to take either an on-level course or challenge themselves a bit with honors. This setting continues in the junior year with options of American literature and advanced placement language and composition. With this AP class and another at our senior level, students are offered the opportunity to experience the rigor of college classes and receive preparation for the AP exams to get a head start on earning college credit. At the senior level, students have more choices than ever. Classes include the English Reading and Writing course, ERWC, which comes out of the CSU system. Our second AP English course is available, AP Literature, and we have World Literature. Both of these classes provide students with exposure to literature of the world, broadening their horizons as to what the world has to offer. We also offer a unique course, English for Future Teachers, which looks at content through the eyes of education. These classes all include a focus on preparing students for life after Logan, whether that be the workforce, the military, or continuing with their education. Choices do not only exist in which classes to take, but in the content available. Though Logan has a diverse curriculum available for students, English teachers are continuously looking for new literature and nonfiction pieces with which to engage their students and have the curriculum reflect our student population and their diverse interests. We also offer electives for students to enjoy, including rhetoric, humanities, and multicultural literature, along with journalism and advanced journalism. These classes continue working to connect students to our world beyond Logan, with some of them exploring and some of them reporting on what is happening around us. Whatever your desires, an English class at Logan can meet them. While improving reading and writing skills, students also polish their speaking and listening skills and practice presenting so that they feel comfortable moving into their futures. Thank you.
Our ethnic studies department started because the students and their parents wanted it. So it was something that they actually fought for.
It's a sacred space, a place of solidarity, self-empowerment, and self-love.
Equity, truth,
exploring identity, social justice, and current events.
transformative,
diversity and inclusion,
love,
grace,
decolonize,
bringing forward the narratives of people of color,
how to be responsive to the world around them critically, and empowerment through social justice advocated curriculum.
Educate and advocate.
And pride.
It's important for young people to find out the history of their families, find out the history of their people. And if we look at our current situation, if we focus on what's really going on, that we as a community, we as people can come together and make the change ourselves.
I am ethnic studies.
I am ethnic studies.
I am ethnic studies.
I'm ethnic studies.
I am 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 ethnic studies.
Hello, my name is George Oliviero. I am Department Chairperson of Mathematics at James Logan High School. Our school offers a comprehensive math program beginning with Algebra 1 and taking us all the way to calculus and differential equations if students elect those courses. Our department consists of 22 teachers. We organize the department by courses so that teachers of a particular course can meet weekly or monthly to discuss one subject at a time. Our plan is for a unified curriculum course by course. This design is based on assuring students that they receive the same background in each and every course. Teachers do differ, however, the content will be the same in any course. The math program does have a flow chart of options that are most common among our students. We do not restrict our students in any way. However, we always suggest careful consideration of available math courses. We suggest to parents and students that there be a careful study of the total workload from all courses and from all activities, both at home and at Logan. While the extraordinary circumstances of these days offer significant challenges to everyone, our teachers are moving forward with new technology and careful consideration of the curriculum. They work diligently to provide quality education in mathematics to every student. Our math department wishes to work in partnership with the families of Union City to provide the best possible education in mathematics during these times and in the years to come. Thank you for your time, your efforts at home, and your willingness to work with us on a daily basis. Thank you very much.
Greetings, James Logan High School family. My name is Lance Green and I'm a PE teacher and water polo coach here at James Logan High School. I want to take a brief moment to talk about our PE program. First and foremost, our primary focus is to get our students active and moving. So if you can be aware of what period your kid has PE and just encourage them to get their bodies moving, because we're giving an ample amount of time in that 80-minute block to get their bodies moving. Just encourage them to get their bodies moving and be physically active. For the first time in several years, we are offering PE electives for students in grades 10, 11, and 12. And those 3 electives are team sports, yoga, and weight training. Have a great day. All things considered, we are still excited to have a strong PE department here at James Logan High School. Take care.
Hi, my name is Emily Panico and I am the Science Department Chair at James Logan High School. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our program and our offerings. Our programs are inquiry-based, where we are emphasizing critical thinking skills for our kids to ask questions and to help solve problems. In addition, we offer multiple levels of sciences. We have 3 foundational classes, which are generally taken by our 9th and 10th grade students. They are biology in the living earth, physics in the universe, and chemistry in the earth systems. Those classes are generally taken 9th and 10th. However, we do have juniors and seniors also taking those as electives later on. We also offer 5 AP classes. They are AP Biology, AP Chemistry, AP Environmental Science, AP Physics 1, and AP Physics 2. Those classes are advanced placement, college credit is available, and those are usually taken by our juniors and seniors. Lastly, we have some regular electives for anyone who's interested, and they are forensic science, marine biology, and then we have human anatomy and physiology. We also offer an honors version of human anatomy and physiology. Our course offerings here at Logan are very wide. There is something for everyone, so come check us out, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.
My favorite part of the class is learning about the different analysis of evidence found at crime scenes, because I'm really into serial killers and different crime scene investigation cases.
My favorite part is probably picking up the evidence and stuff, because we go through analysis and we see what's in it and stuff, who did the crime scene, and how it happened, all that stuff.
I think the best part about this class is learning about things like crabs, shrimp, lobsters. Along with the hands-on activities, we also have field trips that go to the inner tidal area.
We got to dissect squid and eat it. And it's called calamari if you don't know, and it's hecka good.
You get to express yourself through music. You can express your sadness and your grief, or you can express happy thoughts.
The best thing about this course is meeting lifetime friends and traveling around places. Just experience and all the time and effort is really worth it.
The best thing about taking this class is that it's the most relaxing class of the day.
Kids are able to be as creative as they want in the individual projects that we're allowed to make.
You have fun in here making stuff, and you're around a funny teacher like Miss Jackson all the time, so that's cool.
Oh, the best thing about this course is that you've got a diverse group of kids coming together and making something musical.
We get to sing beautiful music that's not constantly being heard all the time.
Not just individual work, we all come together, make beautiful music, and we're also really close as a family.
Taking this course is a lot of fun. It's a great class if you really want to learn how to dance.
You don't need to have any dance experience.
You just come in and you learn what you're going to learn, and it's just a good way to express yourself.
And it's a really great way to let loose.
You can just take it and you'll learn a lot of things actually.
Digital photography is all about just taking photos and then going into Photoshop and editing them. They give us a topic and then we do, let's say, white on white photography. My favorite photo shoot was when we took a free photo shoot where we took whatever photos we wanted to and we told a story with it.
The best thing about DVA is probably the hands-on equipment that we can use.
We get to collaborate on projects and we get to apply what we learn into real life situations.
We get to make our own stuff like short films, stories.
So we're introduced into editing, we're introduced in how to use the cameras, and I think that's just a really fun thing to learn.
I think the best thing about this class is that we're really a family.
And we learn how to do accents.
With Irish, it's like a wee bit up here. Or with Scottish, it's down the throat.
Do different pieces from classical to contemporary.
And it's really fun just to express yourself.
So I think the best part of taking drawing is the fact that I get to make things that come from my own head.
Letting your creativity out and letting it flow and just releasing whatever you want to draw.
You know you have a hidden potential. And once you put it on a piece of paper, everyone sees it.
The best part about taking multicultural art is definitely putting my emotions into what I do.
We have a lot of different projects ranging from ancient times to modern art.
We get to learn how to talk about art. We get to use a lot of different materials like copper and stone, and we get to learn about other cultures of the world.
The best part is painting whatever you want and expressing yourself.
And you get to show your creative side.
You get to paint what you want.
Painting what you want and expressing yourself in a creative way.
It's very fun and different from other languages because we don't talk with our mouths, we talk with our hands.
The best thing about this class is the energy and the teacher, because the energy is so high.
On Fridays, we get to watch movies or we get to do paper cutting projects.
Once you learn Chinese, you can speak with everyone in the world, and it's really a great asset if you're in business.
We learn a lot about the culture and the language of the Philippines. We learned this unit on food, and then we eat halo-halo, which is this Filipino dessert. And it's really nice to come to school knowing you can have a class during the day where you can be yourself.
My favorite thing about this class is being able to learn a new language.
Well, the language sounds really fancy and it's really fun to actually speak it.
I like that it's so cultural that we get to learn not just the language but everything about France.
It's interesting to learn about another country.
Punjabi is with the third most spoken language in the world.
We have a lot of fun. We just help each other. We do a lot of fun activities. It's not just academics. It's we all are a family. We share our moments, good moments, bad moments.
There's teachers that are willing to work with you. You make a lot of friends. There's a lot of boys and girls that are really cool with each other. Spanish is good to meet a new culture and speak to new types of people. It's a good thing to do if you don't know what subject to take. Spanish is really a good way to go.